Let's talk YouTube statistics. 2.2 billion users a month. 12 minutes of videos watched each day per user. That's not the craziest stat. 70% of the videos watched on YouTube are based off of their suggested for you algorithm. So let's show you how to post to YouTube. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to studio.youtube.com. Once we're in there in the upper right hand corner, you're going to want to click on the create button and then click on upload videos. You're going to click on select files and you are going to select the file that you want to load. Once the file is uploaded, you're going to want to make sure that you give it a title that has keywords and also explains what the video is all about. And then you're going to want to add a description. Make sure your description has helpful information in it, as well as a call to action. Always ensure that you have the HTTPS on top of any links that you're adding so that it automatically gets linked. Next, we're going to want to pick a thumbnail. Then we're going to go ahead and select our playlists. After we've selected our playlists, we're going to make sure that we select no, this is not made for kids unless you are specifically targeting young children. Then you're going to click on more. We're going to go ahead and add our tags, making sure that they are comma separated. After that, you're going to make sure your language is set to English if you're in English. Make sure that your caption certification is none. Select the record date of today, and your video location is going to be your Google My Business location. You're going to keep to the standard licensing, assuming that this is just a beginner video that you're getting started with. Our category is education, and then you can hold for inappropriate comments and sort top. After that, we're going to want to add an end screen. Go ahead and select one video, one subscribe, and that'll give you an end screen at the end of your video. I'm going to shorten this up just a little bit so it doesn't get in the way of our graphics. Go ahead and click on next, click on public, and go ahead and publish that video. And that's it. You've got your first video out there. If you need any help, you know where to find us.